to talk about how you can add your business to Google and then Google Map. Maybe you have your business, or it's not even a business, it's a school or church, and you want to add it to the Google Map. Just follow this tutorial well, and you'll be able to do everything for free. You need to download this app. We can all see the name Google My Business. Download the app from Play Store, or if you are using iOS, you also look for the app there. But there are two ways, or there are more ways you can add the business. You can either use this app, you can also go to the Google Map app. Yeah, you can use that one, or you can go to your search engine direct, like Google. You can open the search engine direct there, and you just search that add my business or my business. You can add say something like that, and you get the official website. I think now this app was having a problem, Google My Business. So now the one that we've been using to update our business profiles on the system is the Map app. Or you can also go to the search engine. Let me just show you. Go to the search engine like this. So we are just going to search from our search engine. We are going directly to our search engine to search my business, something like that. Or you can just say business, or just something similar. But here I will just say my business, and that is what I always use to add update to the businesses that I added to the map or to Google. You can see that the Google My Business app is ranking here. Yeah, it was the most used one, but we got message that it has a problem. So let's scroll down. We see something here. You see the website. You can also click on this site and you follow the same steps. You just need to get the scenario and follow it. These are some of the distance that I added to the map. Just few of them. I've been contributing a lot to map. So many places. They are not just my business. Some are churches and all other things that I always try to put them on the map to help people navigate easily. Yes. Let's just use Google My Business app. When we open the app, this area, the top area here, you see something like add your business. You see something like that. Because they have already added some, that is why my own is like this. So I will click on it and choose add new business here. So let's say you have also added some and you want to add more. This is what you would also do. I think my WhatsApp is disturbing. This is the name of the business. You should put the name of your business there, or if it is a church or anything that it is, and you come to the category too. So let's just put some name here. What should we use? Okay, let me see. So you can see after updating your name, like creating a name and also get a category, what you do, you input it there and then you click on the next button. So you read these things and follow. Yeah, read them and follow. Here I will say yes. Then you input your address. There you leave your country and then the street name. I will just put something here. Let's see. So after filling it like this, you give your address. You can add different line. You can add different line, but I'm not going to do that. I'll just skip it. So because I already have some, they are trying to give me some things. I don't want to use that one. I'll just say this does not match. So this step, you try to select the real location. You should know how to use the map well. So you zoom in and zoom out until you are able to select it well. I will be located around this place. We can change it to view. Okay, let me just use this one like that and let's go. So you fill these things, just fill it. You add your contact details. I will skip that one. So this place is the most important place. Here they will need to verify it. So if you are not able to provide the right information here, your business will not be approved, and so therefore you add it but it won't come live. So you make sure that you provide the details of the person who they will be attending to, or if the postcard is sending, who will be receiving it. So you make sure that that thing is just the right thing. And this one, after inputting it, it will take like 14 days. That is almost 2 weeks. It will take 2 weeks to verify. So if you have any difficulty in it, just leave it in the comment section and we will be glad to assist you. So let's just go back and see what happens. Yeah, here you choose your business hours. Do you work from Monday to Friday or all the days? Just turn them on and off and set the hours. Everything is very simple. So you can see that we finished. But they are saying that we should verify to unlock the business performance and all those things. If the code is not yet sent, if the postcard is not yet sent to us, though we have added the business, but it won't come live. If you go to Google search, it's only you and no one else. Sometimes
It takes a lot. If your, let's say, the details that you provided wasn't correct and you rechange it, it will keep long again. Then let me skip that place and just show you how to post on the business profile. As you can see, the post option, you click on that to post, give update. If you want to add updates, just post a product or video, anything, you see them there. So you just choose it as you desire. So when you get the postcode, this place you just come and click on verify, and when it comes that you should insert the code, you just insert it there and we will go. You can also add some things like special hours. You see, when I was adding it as software company and all those things. So you add special hours and all those things. In the next tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can what do we call it, run these Google ads, run ads advert on Google and then Facebook, so that your business can get more customers and all those things. So let's stay tuned. I'll also show you how you can request for review through these things. Reviews let our business, or it help us to rank top in terms of searching. So if you always